Hey everybody, Linus here from Tech Talk, and today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of Linux. Specifically, we're going to explore the amazing features of Pop! OS. Now you might have heard of Ubuntu, but Pop! OS, developed by System 76, takes it to another level. With its sleek design, built-in tiling window manager, and focus on productivity, Pop! OS stands out by offering a user-friendly experience with powerful features. It's perfect for developers, gamers, and anyone who wants a robust and efficient system. Plus, the active community and excellent support make it a top choice. So, grab your penguin suits and let's dive into Pop! OS. First up, we've got Fedora, often considered the testing ground for all things new and shiny in the Linux world. This distro is all about using the latest and greatest software, while maintaining that rock-solid stability Linux is known for. One of the things I love about Fedora is how incredibly active their community is. They're constantly pushing out updates, so you always have the newest features and security patches. Fedora is actually incredibly user-friendly, especially if you're comfortable with a more modern desktop environment. If you're ready to dive into the deep end of the Linux pool and want to be at the forefront of open-source innovation, Fedora is definitely worth checking out. Next, we've got Pop!_OS from our friends at System 76. And let me tell you, this distro is a real looker. Seriously, the first thing you'll notice is how incredibly clean and polished the user interface is. But Pop!_OS isn't just a pretty face. It's packed with powerful features, especially for developers and creative professionals. They've got pre-installed tools and drivers for all the popular programming languages and creative software, so you can jump right into coding or designing without having to mess around with configurations. And did I mention it's amazing for gaming? Pop!_OS comes with support for NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards right out of the box, making it super easy to get your game on. Now let's talk about the granddaddy of them all, the distro that's been around since the dawn of time. Well, the dawn of Linux anyway. Debian. This distro is legendary for its stability and security. Debian is known for its massive software repository, which means you can find pretty much any application you could ever want. And because it's so stable, it's often the base for a ton of other popular Linux distros. Now, Debian isn't exactly known for being the most beginner-friendly distro out there. It can be a little more hands-on, requiring some terminal usage and configuration. But if you're looking for a distro that's rock-solid, incredibly secure, and perfect for servers or long-term use, Debian is the way to go. Alright, let's say you're coming from Windows and you want something that feels familiar, something that won't make you want to chuck your computer out the window in frustration. Well, my friend, let me introduce you to Ubuntu MATE. This distro takes the stability and reliability of Ubuntu and combines it with the MATE desktop environment, which is known for its lightweight footprint and customizable interface. Ubuntu MATE is super easy to use, even for complete Linux beginners. It comes with all the essential applications you need pre-installed, and the desktop environment is incredibly intuitive. Plus, it runs like a dream, even on older hardware, so you can breathe new life into that dusty old laptop. Last but not least, we have Elementary OS, a distro that's as beautiful as it is easy to use. Seriously, this thing looks like it was designed by Apple, but, you know, without the walled garden and the hefty price tag. Elementary OS is all about simplicity and elegance. The user interface is incredibly clean and intuitive, making it perfect for newcomers to the Linux world. They've also got their own set of custom-designed applications that seamlessly integrate with the overall aesthetic. If you're tired of the bloat and complexity of Windows or macOS, Elementary OS is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic Linux distributions that are perfect for beginners but offer something unique beyond the usual suspects. Whether you're drawn to Fedora's cutting-edge approach, Pop! OS's sleek design and gaming prowess, Debian's rock-solid stability, Ubuntu MATE's familiar feel, or Elementary OS's elegant simplicity, there's a distro out there for everyone. The beauty of Linux is that you can try out as many distros as you like until you find the perfect fit. Download an ISO, create a bootable USB drive, and take it for a spin in a virtual machine. So don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and find your perfect Linux match.